with that connectors, I can remove this connector out to connect to the wire here, which we have to press this and put the wire in and look at the channel. It has the digital input and digital output. So again, we're going to set that communication later. With the controller is synchronized with the computer software. I use the monitors, and this is the monitors we synchronize with the robot. I can add a controller, I can remove it, remove the controller. If I connect it to the controller, I can add it to the network controller. It also have a listen controller. So you have to know the IP address for the controller. And this should be the default IP address for this machine, but you can add additional controller, but just add a controller. It auto detect the IP address that connect to the computer. That's so easy. That show the configuration data of the robot itself. It has the I/O connectors, like we have the device network connection, and this is the local I/O for those machine. That store the data. Normally we name it as DRV, the device is running. Okay, maybe we can see it later. In the software, it's synchronized and show the information, all the system parameters show in this computer. But before I can move it, I have to request write access. On the other hand, I can add the online monitor to check the motion of the robot itself. Go back to the G pendant we are working on. If we go into the production window, yeah, let's go to the automatic mode, acknowledge, and you have to press the motor on button. You don't have to press the enabling device button anymore. You can go in PP to main and go to the first step of the command. So let's move robot to that position. Yeah, it's okay. Let's move to the next position. Is moving to the next position right there, and we can also see the robot status. Online monitor, it can help us to track the motion of the robot, and it can show the detail of the robot itself. And on the other hand, I normally use the flex pendant motion flex pendant monitor that will show the flex pendant viewer, but it's the same as a T pendant, flex pendant for ABB in the real time, but it updates every 5 seconds. So what else? As I said, we can see all the information online. You can see all the status event. or the event could be tracked. We can log in as a different user. Backup information. We can see the I/O map, I/O system of this. This could divide the I/O in different type. We normally map the I/O with the number. We have the group, like the panel is a default data acquisition for the robot controller, and we add the additional device net and another information, the DRV1 digital input. It could be a separate version. It doesn't show here in I/O system. Ethernet, it shows the information about robot IP setting. Private network, flex panel network.